I posted up a quick little picture about 2-3 weeks ago talking about how I'm getting ready to expand again, and this is what we're looking at. All of it. All right. Starting to become serious over here. Some AC going over there in the break room. Getting ready to bust a hole in the wall right now. First hole. What'd you say, right here?
Right there. Right there in the center.
Okay. All right, give me that hammer. Let's go.
My little peepee hammer.
All right. It'll work, though. Right here?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, that was fun. I don't know how many I was supposed to do, but there it is. There you go. All right, thank you. Right on. All right, he's starting on that side. And then we're going to pull these shells down and come over to this side. It's happening. All right, we got a little bit of progress.
Yep.
Here we go. All right.
It almost went through.
Where you at? You get it?
Yeah.
Hold on, let's do it again.
All right, hold on.
Watch out, here we go. Oh, that sucked. Here you go. Rob, come do one. Somewhere in this area.
Here's Johnny.
Just gotta face the
Yeah, you don't want to do that too much.
Alright, here we go. We're moving in soon. Get some brand new carpet. Lobby number 2, break room maybe. Not sure what we're doing yet. Yeah, we're getting close. We ain't under construction yet, but well, we are under construction, but no shelves coming over yet. Maybe a week. So we're a little congested over here in this area because we moved things out of the way. But yeah, let's see, another 2,400 square feet, taking it over. Look at that, get it all cleaned out. Getting it ready to finally move in. Progress. The shelves get moved. Bring them on over here. Starting to open up. All right, we're gonna try to take a shortcut. Remove this whole shelf without breaking it down. Hope it works. All right, back her up a little bit. Dude. Dude, we ain't breaking nothing down. Well, we already did, but we ain't breaking nothing else down. You're looking good. We ain't breaking shit down. Tuck it right over there. gonna be mainly for acrylic because we have so many different colors. We got some loose boxes. They're empty, but I can't get rid of them because I have everything that goes in them still. Officially got my keys, and this whole side is ours. Yeah. Almost 11,000 square feet, and we're all connected on the inside. Every one of these suites is connected on the inside with a big enough hole to drive a forklift through. Check this out. I gotta get me some new blinds to match the blinds that I already did on the other doors. That's coming up soon. But lobby's looking real good. It's not even really gonna be a lobby, it's gonna be like a break room or something. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it, but yeah, we're good. Got some plastic chairs, those are gonna go somewhere. All this room. Got my shelves up, got the hole done, got more shelves. So wide open. I even made a little tunnel so we can get through here and get to whatever on the backside. Just a little bit of room. Just enough to get what I need to get and not take up too much shop space. Yeah, check this out. We're all organized. From 4,200 to just under 11,000 square feet. They're good. So that whole 10 by 18 really opened things up for us. Now I got room to do stuff over in my office or by the lift, by my tools. And if the car's too big, I can bring it over here and open up all 4 doors and do what I gotta do. I got a lot of stuff planned for the future for SMD HQ2.
For extra energy and me.